Okay, Scotty. Parking brake's on. She ain't going nowhere. Okay, we get it. You look like I saw your calves, dude. You were... Whoa, 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 whoa. We need to pay extra for that. That's on your premium OnlyFans. All right. It moves.
We're good. It's fixed.
All right, now pull it back out and make sure it locks again. Out and then up and to the right.
Nope.
Well, let's roll it back and see what we got. Fun with cars, boys and girls. Okay, everything was locked, right, Scotty?
Yep.
We saw it. We demonstrated it. Our handle is up to the right, like it should be. How's our cables? And I see it's moving as you touch things. Oh, you just released it.
And that's...
Huh?
That's not supposed to happen.
No. It's got to be
It's the lock.
the lock on the handle is
Fucked.
no good.
No
Lovely.
bueno.
Fun! All right, well.
So we have everything here that we need to. I've double, triple, and quadruple checked absolutely everything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was adjusted, it was locked, everybody saw that it was locked, it was staying. Great. Any more thoughts, Scotty, before I cut?
Joey, we may need to put a handle in. It is what it is. I hate to say it, I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful at all, but it is.
It's
The
so
lock
hot.
is just getting bad.
Jokingly, it's so hot and smoky, we could use a handle of...
Yeah.
You would go for some Tito's? Anyway.
No, I would go for some oxygen right about now that isn't covered in smoke.
All right.
Yeah.
So we'll take one more quick peek, see what we got, and then we'll make a final assessment. Because it never hurts to double check.
Double?
Triple check. Quadruple check. Check, check, check. Check it. Check it before you wreck it. Oh.
Yes, it's still there, I promise.
Ew. All right. Anyway.
We'll get a hold of you.